He starts off by taking a quick look at the cattle dock on the siding that serves the local Smithfield market, and then after inspecting the accommodation in some of the coaching stock, he watches the shunting operations as one of the mineral trains from the sand quarry is reversed into the exchange sidings for the London and North Western Railway Crewe to Chester branch line. Afterwards, the inspector watches the departure of a down excursion special, in this case hauled by locomotive number 1, Peckforton, an 040 saddle tank Barclay locomotive. Excursions are quite common on the Peckforton Light Railway. Visitors like to visit Beeston Castle or sample the spring water at Buckley Spa. The down sand train passes as they discuss how the operations work at the station. The castle in the background is built from aerated concrete blocks, sawn with an ordinary saw and carved with a screwdriver. The railway passes by the River Gowie. Although it's little more than a stream, over the years it's been used to power over 20 watermills in the area. Pulling into Peckforton Station, a short distance away is Peckforton Castle, which is the residence of Lord Tollemache and his family. The down midday passenger departs Peckforton Station and crosses slowly Peckforton Viaduct. Because I wanted the viaduct to be removable, it's made from plywood covered in balsa wood blocks. The whole thing was then soaked with a resin wood hardener to protect it from the elements. Here we see the inspector taking a close look at the stonework to make sure it's still in good condition. Joseph Neild, the miller, heaped praise on the railway for how it handled the goods traffic in and out from the mill, and the inspector watched an up-ore train passing by the mill on its way to the exchange sidings.